Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button below so that you get notifications whenever I post great contents like this. Today we're going to talk about the hammer candlestick patterns. This is one of my programs that I've set for myself this year, that I will prepare several slides indicating or describing each candlesticks and how you can trade them in the financial market. But first things first, let's go through the disclaimer. Trading the financial markets on margin carries a high level of risk. This may not be suitable for all investors and traders, and our past performance is not an indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well, and it can also work for you. And always, above all, please remember your capital is at risk. Now, follow us in the link below. Follow us on Facebook. Join our WhatsApp group. It's right in the description below in the comment section. And above all, I'd love to hear your comments, your queries. Should you have any new suggestion, just post it in the comment section so that I'll have a look at it. It will also help me in preparing these YouTube videos, which are helpful for you. Hammer candlestick. Just like the name describes, it looks like a hammer. To the far right of the slide, you can see I've drawn something that looks like a hammer. It's a candlestick with a real small body at the top, and the color does not matter. Depending on how you've customized your trading platform, it can be either red or blue or whichever color you like. At the end of the day, the body is at the top end of the pattern. It has a small or no upper shadow at all. Remember, the upper shadow represents the highest price reached, and it has a very longer lower shadow. This longer lower shadow really tells you that we have some serious buying pressure, price being pushed all the way from down there all up to the point where it is close to the open price. Now, this pattern is of great significance if it is found at the end of a downtrend. I'd love to see this pattern at a support zone. Therefore, it will make more confirmation for me that we have a probability of price going upwards. Remember, a hammer candlestick is a bullish candlestick, and it tells you that price might increase in the near future. Of the hammer candlestick pattern, price opens high, it drops down during the session, then it increases, closing a few points below or above the open. If we put this into perspective, we could say that price opens at maybe 50 point. Then we get a drop all the way to maybe 10 points. But before the session ends, we get the bulls coming back into the market and price being pushed all the way back up to maybe 40. So we have a candlestick with a small body representing a small drop from 50 to 40, and a very longer wink represented by around 30 points. Now the hammer represents a session where things change, where the seller drop the ball, where the buyers suddenly wake up, and where the balance of power shifts from sellers to buyers. I'm going to take you through 3 examples. So the first example is a chart, and we can see a formation of a candlestick with a small body and a longer lower wink. This is your indication that the buyers are gaining control from that level and therefore pushing the price upwards. So this is the hammer candlestick pattern that we've learned today. In the second example, we get price was dropping all the way from the left side, and then we get a hammer candlestick pattern. Then the price reverses, it starts going upwards. So it's also important that you make sure that this type of pattern is appearing at the bottom of a trend, at the bottom of a downtrend, that is. Finally, we get 2 hammer candlestick at a level. Again, if you observe from the left to the right, you realize that that level has acted as a support zone several times in the past. Whenever price came to that zone, it was being pushed all the way up. Now that price has come to that zone again, it gives us a clue that price has reached at the bottom of a downtrend, and this is why we get some small push all the way back up. Again, it's important that you practice to see these patterns on a chart. So at your own free time, just open a chart, try to spot these patterns, then you'll realize that your trading improves. With that, we come to the end of this small session. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Till next time, goodbye for now.